Okay, let's take a look at example 4. This beautiful example of Megan deciding to start a small shop to sell balloons filled with helium during her summer break. She spent $250 to buy the machine. In this particular case, the $250 is going to be what generally we call the fixed cost. Well, it's going to be part of the fixed cost if she doesn't, uh, if she has actually other costs to include in this, like rent and stuff. But for now, we know she spent $250 to buy the machine that will fill the balloons. In addition to that, the cost to get each balloon ready includes the cost of the balloon, the cost of the helium, and the labor cost to fill the balloon. Uh, it cost Megan 1.25 to buy a balloon, 25 cents of helium per balloon, and of course, uh, a dime or 10 cents for labor to fill the balloon. If Megan sold 1,000 balloons in the summer for 2.75 each, how much profit did she make? So straight ahead, you can come back and say, if you want to compute your profit, then we know your profit is going to be equal to your revenue minus your cost, right? So what is our revenue? So let's look at our revenue is going to be equal to how much she sold, how many balloons she sold, and how much she sold them for. We know she sold the balloons for 2.75, so that would be 2.75 times 1,000 balloons. So her revenue would therefore be equal to $2,750. That's a revenue. How about the cost? The cost here will be now generally most cost, for most cases, simple cases, is going to be a linear model. So her cost is going to be equal to 250. Remember, we are trying to calculate a profit, so you have to include every cost associated with the business. So 250 plus, generally we call the other aspect of the cost, which is not fixed, we call them the variable cost. Those are the things that you use to produce the quantity that you want. So here is going to be equal to all the cost to fill one balloon. So one balloon, she's going to need 1.25 to balloon to buy the balloon, plus she's going to need 25 cents a quarter, plus 0.1, and that, in generally, your model is you do X. This will be the model you use to produce the cost to produce X balloons. In this particular case, since she did 1,000, it's going to be 250 plus, now 1.25 plus 0.25 plus this happens to be equal to 1.6. So it's going to be 1.6 times 1,000, and that happens to be equal to $1,850. All right. So the cost is this, the revenue is this. So therefore, the profit will be equal to 2,750 minus 1,850, and that is equal to 900. Take your calculator, you see you're gonna get 900. So Megan will end up with $900 before the fall begins. So she's gonna go home with $900. That will be the profit. So that is how you calculate the profit of such systems.